So for the past couple of years, ILN has loved to pull so many funnies, so many unexpected alerts.
For Southeast Indiana, Northeast Kentucky, Northern Kentucky,
Central
Ohio, South Central Ohio, and Southwest Ohio. For today and tonight, there is a low probability for widespread hazardous weather. And now the extended outlook for the period Wednesday through Monday. Some storms may be severe Wednesday night, damaging.
Okay, so yeah, that's something that I will expect. Yeah, that's something I will expect, but yesterday there was something that I didn't expect. There to be a random slight risk, across the Ohio Valley, and
was reported
when I was just trying to play a game, KIG 86, I was just here in my room, laying down, playing a game, and all of a sudden the EAR-10 goes off, and then following all the other radios. And that's when KIG 86 activated for a SVA. And I thought, wait, I never knew that there was a slight risk here, and they never set a mesoscale. So, yeah, ILN. Your funnies are not so funny.
Cincinnati Fair.
Let's get on with these unexpected pranks.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Delaware County until 6 p.m. At 5:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Ashley, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Delaware, Sunbury, Ashley, Galena, Interstate 71 at U.S. Route 36/State Route 37, Allen Creek State Park, Delaware State Park, Leonardsburg, Olive Green, and Kilbourne. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 127 and 138. You're listening to NOAA Weather, All Hazards Radio, KIG 86, Columbus, Ohio, originating from the National Weather Service office in Wilmington, Ohio. We have interrupted our regular programming as severe weather is affecting our listening area. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio.
I forgot to edit so on. Okay.
Mostly clear after midnight. Lows in the lower 60s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Morrow County, western Knox County until 5:45 p.m. At 5:21 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Ashley to 6 miles north of Sunbury to Polaris, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mount Gilead, Cardington, Centerburg, Ashley, Chesterville, Sparta, Berlingo, and Fulton. Here is a special weather statement. For the following counties in Ohio, Delaware and Licking. A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of eastern Delaware and northwestern Licking counties through 5:45 p.m. At 5:12 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near Sunbury, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, wind gusts up to 45 miles an hour and a half-inch hail. County, Ohio, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Richwood, moving east at 5 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Richwood. Thunderstorm was located over Richwood, moving east at 5 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio. Tonight, mostly cloudy. Locations of thunderstorms likely mainly this evening. Lows in the mid-60s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour, becoming south late. Chance of rain 60%. Tuesday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 80s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Tuesday night, clear. Lows in the upper 60s. South winds around 5 miles an hour. Wednesday, mostly sunny in the morning, then partly cloudy with a chance of showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Humid with highs in the lower 90s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Champaign County until 7:15 p.m. At 6:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near North Lewisburg, moving east at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Mingo, Cable, and Kennard. Here is a hazard. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Clark County, West Central Madison County, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near South Charleston, moving east at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include London, Brighton, South Vienna, Plattsburgh, and Interstate 70 at State Route 56. This includes I-70 in Ohio between mile marker 66 and 75. Here is The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for North Central Fairfield County, Southwestern Licking County, until 8 p.m. At 7:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over moving east at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Newark, Heath, Granville, Buckeye Lake, Hebron, Beechwood Trail, Harbor Hills, Granville South, Fairfield Beach, Thornport, Etna, Kirkersville, Interstate 70 at State Route 37 and Interstate 70 at State Route 13. This includes I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 117 and 135. Flash flood warning is canceled for northwestern Delaware and northeastern Union. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Clark County, central Madison County, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:28 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near South Charleston, moving southeast at 5 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include London, South Charleston, Lisbon, Brighton, South Vienna, Newport, and Plattsburgh. This includes I-70 in Ohio near mile marker 67. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Franklin County, Ohio, south central Delaware County, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Westerville, moving southeast at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Columbus, Westerville, Gahanna, Worthington, Minerva Park, Polaris, Easton, New Albany, and Huber Ridge. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 118 and 125.